Good morning, guys. Looks like we got a fail. Haven't had a failed print for quite a while. Second attempt at printing it. I used a raft this time to stop it coming loose. Still stringy, but it looks like it's printed okay. Hi guys. The other day I had a package from eBay in a box marked eBay. Now, I thought that was a rather nice little box, and obviously I thought, let's make a rubber band powered car with it. So that's what the 3D printing was about. That's the axle tube, and then that bit there should go over the end here. So I'll pop them off the raft, as it's called. Oh, and that piece has got a hole in it for connecting the rubber band on the front as well. I don't know if it'll go straight. It depends on how parallel the sides are, or the ends. But we'll pop it together and we'll have a go. I'll use some of my existing CDs with bottle caps glued on them, or bottle caps taped on them, or CDs with 3D printed hubs on them. So I'll put them together and we'll see if it runs. There we are. It'll run either way up because the wheels clear the ground either way. We'll get a problem using a bamboo cane like that because, as you can see, it's going to bend when we put the pressure on from the rubber band, and that will have an effect on it going straight because it twists the wheels. But we'll give it a go just for a bit of fun. I just couldn't resist making a rubber band powered car out of an eBay box. We'll see if we can hit the camera. Well, I don't believe that. I did it first time. Perfect. So that's our eBay delivery.